It's a family-owned home. They knew the unit here was made in 1960, so it was fairly old. Parents scheduled an appointment for them to come out and take a look at this house and see what they could do. And that appointment went very well. It was Emmanuel was the salesperson. He was very thorough. He was very cordial, and every aspect of this, all of the installers have been on time and very punctual. Lots of contact, lots of communication, and the warranties can't be. I've never heard of warranties like that. It didn't expect this job to happen so quickly. Jokingly, when asked when could they start the job after the contract was finalized, I said tomorrow's fine, and unexpectedly he says, well, maybe that can happen. And sure enough, the very next day, central air was installed. The unit is unbelievable. My wife has already named it. Her name is Wendy Trane, and so I couldn't be happier.